In this video, we are going to discuss how to delete the elements from a list variable. So we are going to discuss four things, three methods and one function: pop, remove, and clear. These are list methods. That means these methods has to be invoked with list variables. And then del is a function. With this function, we can use list variables. So look at this first code. This is my initial list, A. Variable is A with all these values 1 to 99. If I say print A, it will print the whole list on the screen as it is. So you can look at the output. It is printing the whole list as it is on the screen. Now after printing the whole list, if I say a.pop, as I have mentioned that pop is a list method. When I say list method, it has to be invoked using list variable. A is a list variable, so I can say a.pop. So a.pop means pop one element from list A. Now by default, pop function or pop method will delete the last value from the list variable. Last value from the list variable. Generally, pop is considered as a method for stack concept. And in case of stack, when I say pop, the topmost element is deleted or removed. So in case of list, the topmost means the last element will be removed. So by default, pop method will remove the last element present in the list variable. So in this case, a.pop will remove 99 from this variable A, list variable A. So if I say print A, you can look at the output, 99 has been removed, the last element. After this, now this is my current list variable A's content. So if I again say a.pop second time, so it will again pop the last element. Now the last element is 88, so it will be removed and the new list will be 1, 2, 7, 4, 5, 33 and 7 only. Now similar to pop, we have another method using which we can remove or delete the element from a list variable. The method name is remove. Again, it's a method, that means it has to be invoked using list variable. So when I say a.remove 33, that means I'm telling the interpreter remove 33 as a value from list variable A. So wherever 33 is present, remove that 33 from list variable A. So in my current list, this is my current list after two pop method invocations. So 33 is present here. So 33 will be removed from this list variable A. And then if I say print A, it will print 1, 2, 7, 4, 5, 7. 33 is removed. So irrespective of where it is present, it will be removed from list variable A. There is another method, clear. Now when I say clear, a.clear, because it's a method. So when I say a.clear, this will clear the list contents of variable A. That means now my list variable A will become null. It will not have any content. So clear will wipe out all the content from list variable A. So if you want to remove the topmost element, the last element, use pop method. If you want to remove a specific element, then use a remove method. And if you want to remove all the elements, use clear method. So these are the three methods, list methods using which you can delete the elements from a list variable. Now there is another function which is del. Now when I say function, we can directly call this function and then we can pass on the values which we want to delete. So this is not a list method, it's a common function using which we or rather we can use this del function on any type of data. So right now I'm declaring a numbers list with these 5 values as shown in this diagram. And then if I say print numbers, it will print the whole list as it is on the screen, 5, minus 10, 7, 11, 100. Now I want to delete a specific element of the list variable which is present at index 1, that is minus 10. So I can say del and then I can say numbers of 1. You can also put this numbers of 1 into brackets, parentheses. So what is the meaning of del? Delete numbers of 1, that is the element or the value which is present at index 1. So minus 10 will be removed or deleted. And then if I say print numbers, it will print 5, 7, 11 and 100. You can see the output. Minus 10 is removed, deleted. Now we can also use this del function to completely delete the whole list variable itself from the memory. So when I say del numbers, the whole variable with its values, the variable itself has been deleted. That means now there is no variable with name numbers. The variable itself has been deleted from the memory, from the execution memory. So now if I say print numbers, you will get a name error. What is a name error? Name numbers is not defined. Why it is not defined? Because we have deleted it with del function. So when I say del numbers, it's copy with all its values, the whole variable itself with its name, everything will be deleted from the execution memory. So if I say print numbers, or if I want to use this numbers again, it will give an error, name error, numbers is not defined. So in this way, you can use pop, remove, clear, and del to remove or delete the elements from list variables.